My name is Charlie Carter, and I own a spa here in Jacksonville, Florida, on the west side in Argyle Forest area called Body Soul Spa. My husband and I had been looking, it took us about a year to find someone. We wanted our master bathroom remodeled. They had great reviews. John took the time to come out and give a really good estimate. Like, he walked through everything, but he also came back a second time and brought another part of his crew in. No one else had done that. They have great communication. I've worked with several different contractors. They were so far above all of the other experiences that I've had in more than one way. It's functional. I have a bathroom that is beautiful and functional. I have closet space. I have a beautiful seamless shower. I have the storage space that I wanted over the washer and dryer where I can fold my laundry. So every part of my bathroom was really thought out so that I could get up in the morning, do what I needed to do, not spend a million hours cleaning, and just go about my day. So my anxiety went from like a 10 to a 0. I recommend them all the time. All the time. I have more projects around here. Like, we already have things planned to do, I think. And so when it comes time to do them, I'll give them a call back.